Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I want to talk about this dress and the pattern that I use. So let's get started. First of all, let me welcome you back to the channel if you are returning. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise. I want to talk about this dress and this fabric that is absolutely gorgeous. This is my latest Minerva make, as some of you know. I'm a Minerva maker, Minerva brand ambassador, and Minerva Fabrics, they're out of the UK and they have people all around the world that they gift fabric to. And we write about it. We make something and we write about it. So this is the fabric that I chose this most recent time. And this is their exclusive viscose linen blend fabric. It's their exclusive print, which is just fantastic. And this fabric is so easy to work with. It's what I consider a medium weight fabric, but it's not stiff at all. It really has great drape and movement. I did pictures and it was a bit breezy out. And I'll tell you about that because that is leading to the pattern I use, which is Butterick 5030. This is an older pattern. It is from 2007, but I've already heard from people who said that they still have this pattern and have never used it either. So this was my first time making anything with it. I made view F, which is the one down here, and it says basically you just make the dress and you don't make a sash or belt to go with it like you would with some of the other views here. I wasn't sure if I was going to have enough fabric. I think I do, to still go ahead and make a sash if I want to. But honestly, I actually like wearing it without a belt or a sash. I just think it looks really nice. And like I said, I made view F there. I did not do any kind of alterations with the dress. It's a wrap dress. So basically, when you make a wrap dress, the only thing that's holding it on, or holding it together, I should say, is at the waist. So what they say is to use hook and eye at the waist. I um, I did snaps because I thought it would be more secure. So this is just the inside. I have a snap here. Now I actually put my snaps on the opposite direction. I did my wrap the opposite direction, but once I got the snaps on and realized that I probably should have laid this front over the other side, I was like, forget it. I'm not changing it. So that was the only thing. That's why mine is actually crossing over in a different direction. But I've got snap here and snap here. So now that would be all that I believe the instructions tell you to do, but I need mine to be more secure. So I did a snap up here, which is basically at the V, and then I did another one a little bit lower. It's a small snap that I added just to keep it really secure on that crossover so nothing is open. And those were the only snaps. Now, with the wrap dress, also, this front, of course, there's going to be plenty of pictures. This front crosses over. So for me, because I did take pictures on a windy day, I did actually have to hold it closed because it was kind of flapping flapping in the breeze. So you might want to, if you're going to do something like this, I would suggest either getting one of those decorative safety pins. They have the big ones you can get, or just pinning it on the inside if you didn't want to do something permanent like a snap or something like that. But I think I would just use a safety pin on the inside and leave it at that. But yeah, for me, it needed a bit more securing. So that was that was all as far as that is concerned. But the pattern, I found it to be pretty quick to make. Like I said, I did not do any alterations. The only thing additional that I did was adding extra snaps to it. I actually did not even add pockets to this dress, which is totally weird for me because normally I would add pockets to it, but I didn't do that. And I do actually kind of miss them. So if I was to do this dress again, I would add pockets to it. But this fabric is fantastic. Now, I did notice because I do wash and dry all of my fabric before I use it. Now, one thing I did notice that when I took it out of the dryer, the lint trap was full. So a lot of lint, it was like full of orange lint. A lot came off in the dryer. So that's something that you do want to be aware of, is to wash it and dry it, get all of that off, and make sure you clean out that lint trap on your dryer because you don't want any problems with that later. But I think actually doing the washing and drying, it was already soft, but I think that actually made the fabric even softer. There was no fading on the fabric at all. And I did, for the hem, I did a blind stitch hem. But other than that, it was an easy project to put together. The View F that I made has the flutter sleeves, which I just really like because it's light and airy and flowy, and so that's what I like for something that just says springtime. Um, I think this would be really comfortable to wear spring and summer. I usually lump those things together because it can get really hot here uh, quickly. So you never know how the weather's going to be around here. And I love how this collar looks. It just looks really, it's like a tailored element in a very flowy feminine dress. So I just love how that looks. With the fabric, it just lays so nicely that it's just a terrific pattern, and it's actually still available, by the way. As of the time I'm recording this, the pattern was actually on sale on the Something Delightful website. So it actually is still available, even though it is from 2007. It's such a classic style, they still have this. And I know Minerva still has this pattern available on their website as well. But I will leave you a link to the fabric and all of that. But yeah, it is just gorgeous. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give the video a thumbs up. And also go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will not miss another upload. And yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.